Hello everyone, it is Victor here, and this video is a very brief overview of ways to increase your income. If you watched the first video in this mini-series, you will know that we break personal finance down into two different categories, budgeting and investing, and then further into subcategories of income, expenses, and gains and losses. According to the equation laid out in that first video, if we increase our income and decrease our expenses, it will optimize or really increase our saving or our accumulation due to budgeting. When we talk about increasing income, we first need to think about the three main different types of compensation. These are hourly, salaried, and commission. If you work an hourly job, you get paid based on the amount of time that you spend at that job. So if you show up for 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. If you show up for 12, you get paid for 12. If you show up for 0, you get paid for 0 hours worth of work. If you work a salaried job, you get paid a flat amount per calendar year. This means whether you're working 30 hours a week or 60, 70, 80 hours a week, you're still only getting paid that base level salary. Finally, if you work a commission job, you get paid per thing you do or per thing you sell. In this way, compensation is directly linked to your productive output. If you work an hourly job, the single easiest way to earn more money is to work more hours. Now, if you get overtime pay or holiday pay, consider working those overtime hours or holiday hours, because then the amount you're getting paid per hour is more than what it would be if you were just working normal hours. If you work a salaried position and don't make overtime pay, then consider taking a part-time job to be able to work extra hours to then increase your income. If you work a commission job, then consider the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of the work can be accomplished with 20% of the effort, and the remaining 20% of the work requires 80% of your effort and your time. If you're out a way to use the 80-20 rule to your advantage in your workflow, then this has the potential to drastically increase your productive output. Now, there are some ideas that are common to all job types regardless of compensation scheme. Starting a side hustle might be a good way to earn secondary income. Additionally, try to capitalize on the benefits that are offered at your company. If your company offers benefits like medical insurance or any kind of 401k match or some other retirement plan, then try and take as much advantage of that as possible. If your company doesn't offer such benefits, your time would be very well spent looking for another job that does include those benefits, just because benefits are very valuable if you would use them. Especially at the beginning of your career, consider moving companies every 2 to 5 years. When you move companies, you're able to negotiate your compensation. This can enable you to get drastic pay increases, more than what you would have gotten if you had stayed at your previous company. Finally, everyone can benefit from understanding taxes and understanding the tax code for whatever applies to you. If you can save money on taxes, that is more money that is in your pocket as income that you can then save or invest. I do want to mention that the information in this video is all very, very general, because there are a wide variety of unique ways to earn a living. When it comes to expenses, we all need basically the same things. We all need a place to sleep, we all need food to eat, and we have to pay for those things. And so because of that, expenses are much more universal than income and ways that we earn income. Because of that, this video contains really just the big ideas to hopefully help people start thinking about their specific individual situation. That is all for this very broad overview. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time.